Hello and welcome back to the Lexus, the Lexus channel for you. I'm Thomas and today I'm going to be hopefully replacing the ECT sensor in the Lexus SC 430. If anybody's been following the channel for the last few videos at least, you know I've had an issue with the P0125 code that's kind of affecting, it comes up saying coolant temperature insufficient. I'm having an issue with kind of temperature in the cabin. It is a sunny day today here in Scotland, but it has been raining most days and about -1. So with the temperature being cold outside and the car not blowing any warm air inside, less than ideal. So I ordered this part from Japan, but I'm going to say it's like almost like Amy Ama, something like that, trading corporation in Japan. I've had the coolant tank before and quite a lot of people seem to recommend their bits for Lexus and Toyota. It has taken about 5 weeks to get here, which is a bit longer than I would have liked. MOT is tomorrow, so without further ado, let's crack on with this replacement. So all going well, this little sensor is all I need, and I think I paid £22 including postage from Japan for this. There's the code there, Lexus Toyota genuine part made in Japan. And yeah, let's crack on with this installation. So with a little bit of elbow grease, I've managed to get the cover off. One of the screws had seized on this part here, so now we can go down and change the ECT sensor. So the thermostat is just here, and then in there is the ECT sensor. So what I have done is I've taken out the little bolt screw thing that was in there. I've unclipped these hoses here and pulled this out just so we can lift this out the way. And now that gives me easier access to the ECT sensor that's here that I've disconnected with this little wire. And hopefully with my 3/4 inch wrench we'll get into it and replace this now. So I've managed to unscrew the old one out of the 3/4 inch. It is brittle and snapped, so I'm hoping a new one of these is going to resolve my issue. So here's the new one, which I'm going to put in, and I'll thread them in. Just keep going with the hand as far as we can go. Right, so you can use the wrench to go a little bit further to the right to try and tighten it up. Harder with the camera, but bear with. So I've had to put this guy back on, lead you with lead clips, I think they're called, screw in the little bolt we took out earlier on, put in this airbox thing again, and that's us done with the sensor replacement. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching Rev Lexus. Hopefully you guys find this video useful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel below if you're a Lexus fan, and I will see you in the next video.